Once upon a time, in a galaxy far, far away, a young boy named Luke lived on Tatooine. One night, he gazed at the stars, wondering about the mysteries of the universe. Suddenly, a wise old man appeared. His name was Obi-Wan Kenobi, a Jedi Master. Luke was surprised but not afraid, for he felt a strange sense of peace. "I have been watching you, Luke," Obi-Wan said. "You have a great destiny ahead of you." Luke listened, his eyes wide with curiosity. Obi-Wan told him about the Force, a power that flowed through all living things. He taught Luke how to control it, to use it for good. "But remember, Luke," Obi-Wan warned, "the dark side is tempting, and it will try to lead you astray." Luke nodded, determined to follow Obi-Wan's teachings. He promised to become a Jedi, to use the Force for peace and justice. As Obi-Wan disappeared, Luke looked up at the stars, feeling a newfound sense of purpose. He knew his journey had only just begun, and he was ready for it. Every night after that, Luke would look at the stars, remembering Obi-Wan's teachings. He dreamt of becoming a great Jedi, just like his old friend. And so, Luke grew stronger, learning more about the Force every day. He knew that he had a long road ahead, but he was ready to face whatever challenges came his way. And as he closed his eyes, he knew that Obi-Wan would always be with him, guiding him on his journey. Good night, Luke, and may the Force be with you.